Hi, my laptop won't start up at all. Tried charging and pressing power button multiple times.
Sorry to hear that. Can you tell me if any lights turn on when you plug it in?
No lights at all. It's completely dead.
Got it. When was the last time you had it serviced?
About 8 months ago.
Okay, that helps. Sometimes the battery connector can get loose. Can you try holding the power button for 30 seconds while it's unplugged?
Trying now. Still nothing.
Thank you for checking. I believe this might be a hardware issue. I can schedule a free diagnostic at our nearest center for you.
That would be great, thanks.
Perfect. What time works best tomorrow?
Morning around 10 a.m.
All set for 10 a.m. tomorrow. You'll get a confirmation email shortly.
Appreciate your help. Really saved me some stress here.
Happy to help. Let us know if you need anything else.